Hi friends, welcome to Kefi Souls.
So today we will be doing the complete flow of Surya Namaskar, compiling all the steps which we have discussed in earlier video in detail. Okay, so let's start with Surya Namaskar.
Yes, Ji.
Come here. Stand in Tadasana, hand in Namaste Mudra. Stomach tuck in, chest lift. Inhale, go up. Exhale, come down slowly, feeling hands beside your feet, back nice and lengthen, straight and lengthen. Inhale, take one leg behind. So this leg is completely active, straight. Exhale, both legs behind, plank posture. Now knees down, chest down, Ashtanga posture. Your breathing will be normal. Now inhale, fly in front and go up in Bhujangasana. Toes tuck in. While exhaling, toes tuck in, go in Parvatasana. Inhale, take the same leg in front which you have taken back. Leg should be in line with your hands. Exhale, both the legs together. Inhale, go up, lengthen yourself. Exhale in Namaste Mudra. So friends, here we complete our flow of Surya Namaskar.
Right.
You have to repeat the same thing with other leg. Okay, this we have done with one leg, left leg. So you have to repeat the same with other leg. Slowly and steadily you need to increase the number of repetition while doing Surya Namaskar. Okay.
Right, Ji.
You want to add something, Hazel, on this?
You rightly mentioned, first you start with whichever leg you are comfortable with, maybe right or left, and then accordingly do it with the other side also. So this will give a proper balance. Try to hold each step based on the breath that is involved. Wherever there is inhalation, inhale and then do that step. Exhale, yes, and then perform that step. So breathing is very important in the entire flow. And yes, as and when you practice and you get matured enough with the position, then try to increase the number of steps.
Yes, absolutely.
Right?
So friends, hope this video was helpful to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.